In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Figma design as image, PNG, JPG, SVG, PDF. First, open the Figma website in your browser and head into the file that contains the work you want to export. Give the page a moment to load your canvas and make sure you're in the correct page within your project. From here, prepare your design so it's exactly how you want it to appear in the final file. That means checking your frames, aligning elements, cleaning up any stray layers, and confirming your background color or transparency. If you want to export the entire artboard, click the frame itself. If you only need a specific icon, image, or component, select that individual layer. Figma's export options are tied to your selection, so choosing the right object is important. Once your design is ready, look to the right-hand side of the interface in the Inspector panel. Scroll to the bottom until you see the Export section. If you don't see it, make sure something is selected. Click the plus icon to add an export setting, then use the Format drop-down to choose the type of file you need. Pick PNG if you want a crisp image with transparency, perfect for UI elements, logos, or overlays. Choose JPG for standard images where transparency isn't needed, and you want a smaller file size. Select SVG if you need a scalable vector for icons or graphics that must remain sharp at any size. Depending on your setup, you may also see PDF in the same list, useful for sharing multi-scale vectors or documents. Before exporting, adjust the scale if needed. The 1x setting exports at the original size, while 2x or 3x creates higher resolution assets for high-density screens. For PNG, you can keep backgrounds transparent by leaving your frame background unset or use a solid background if you need one. For JPG, consider the quality setting to balance clarity and file size. For SVG, keep it simple for web use by avoiding unnecessary effects when possible. When everything looks good, click the Export button. Choose where to save the file on your computer and give it a clear, consistent name so you can locate it later. If you selected multiple layers or frames, Figma will export each one using the same settings, which is a great time saver for asset batches. And that's it. Open Figma, prepare your design, select what you want to export, choose the format that fits your needs, and click Export. You're ready to share your work with confidence.